1, 2, 3. Can you hear me, guys? Please let me know and we will start. Just a few seconds. Let me know on the chat if you can hear me. We will rock today. And yeah, let me know about the screen. Can you see my screen and can you hear me? These two things. And yes, nice. And about the screen, because I always forget to share my screen. I'm sorry for that. Yeah, okay, so hello everyone, and again, as always, welcome back. Today we will talk about the Unreal. As I said, you was so excited about the Unreal. As I understand, I'm not sure, but I think it's like this. And we will talk today mostly about the Unreal and what you can do with Unreal and Revit. So the first thing, as always, I will start from the Revit because mostly my channel is about the Revit, and I'll talk a bit about the Revit, okay? Let's say you have the model. The big problem, export to the Unreal your model, right? Because always you should use like 3ds Max or maybe even the SketchUp. 3ds Max, of course, the better for that transfer. But anyway, you should use some 3D packages, right? So it makes a bit harder to manipulate with your model to the Unreal. Nowadays, Epic Games did the export. So you can directly export to the Unreal Engine. It's not like Dynamic View, like Twinmotion or Lumen. It's exporting to the datasmith file. So we will do it right now. I'll show you how you can do that. If you don't want to see what I will do right now, you can check my previous videos. You will find there. But anyway, I won't touch this topic because after that we will switch only to the Unreal Engine. So what you're gonna do? For example, you see your model like this on your 3D view. If you can see your model like in 3D view in Revit, you will export existing one. So, for example, you can see here is the hole, right? So if I will export right now, I not will see any my ground. I mean the like the thickness of my ground. So it's working like that. I'll leave my 3D box. I'll take some 3D view here, maybe even like this, maybe even that one. Let's leave it this view, okay. And I wanna export this to the Unreal. So what I'm gonna do? Just export to the view. Choose where you wanna save this model. I'll say somewhere. Tutorials, and here I have the Unreal Engine export, and I'll call it like export test. Okay, so and I will export here. The main thing, you should make not so long name. If you will do the long name, you will get, for example, you have the mullions, you will get this name, after that underscore, and after that mullions type blah blah blah. So you will get really huge name. So try to make your name not so big, like RAC. This will be enough. Okay, and after that, just export it. You should wait. It's not so long time like when you're trying exporting IFC, for example. But anyway, you should wait. So done. Let's go to the model. Here it's already export test, and you will get file types like this. Here is this assets. So you not will even open, as you can see, just data, but don't delete it. And here this datasmith file. As you can see, it's not so much the space taking. I think it's like 200 and even 20. so it's not so much to taking the space. Okay, done about the exporting. About this extension, I will show you later on. I will show you where you can download, or just say like export 3D or datasmith for the Revit. That's it, and you will directly go to this link. And now we will go to the Unreal. Let's go back to the Unreal. So here is my Unreal Engine, and I will open my library. The nice thing, before we will switch inside to my project, the nice thing in Epic Games, you can get some assets for free. As you can see, here is some assets free, some assets I paid for that, but anyway, you can get some assets. It means you can get, like, for example, some materials. As you can see, this is for cars, some 4K materials of the flooring, and many other things. So this is pretty cool, because when you will create your model, your Revit Unreal model of your house, and after that you want to create, for example, trees. So you didn't know where you can get the trees. You will go, of course, to the 3ds Max, some stores, libraries, but you don't need to do that. You can just download the open world demo collection, and there you will find a lot of different trees. So, and you can export inside your project. I will show you today. So I'm not rushing, I just going manually, you know. How you can get these assets? It's actually easy. Just go to the marketplace. You will go to marketplace. It takes a bit time because there, and you will see what you can get for free. For example, here, okay, you can see here this all the things, it's for free. So for this month, this all the things for free, and each month you can get like more and more assets. So go on, just own it, and maybe in one day you will render inside in Unreal, who knows. Okay, but I'm going the back, and I'm going to already inside to my project. Or not, I not will go to the inside my project, because we are on the stream, I'm not rushing, and I want to show you a whole process of that. To create your new project, you should then make launch. So let's make the launch. Just wait for it. Some questions, guys, don't be shy. Here is I'm not professional in Unreal, so if I'm doing the mistakes, I'm really welcome if you will say something. But I wanna show you, like, you shouldn't be afraid to use some new ways, new technologies, because maybe in one day you will become professional in on some of that, right? Who knows? Okay, now Unreal, new Unreal engine loading. Actually, this is my working space. New working space is loading. We will wait for it. It's not will take like long time, but anyway, we should wait. So what we're gonna do today? Today I will show you how you can, for example, move your camera. I will show you how you can place some material, and how you can put some trees and grass. That's it. I think it will be not much, but it will be like enough for you. We will wait. Okay. 94. Yeah, this is not Twinmotion, this is not Lumen, it's not fast. Don't forget about that. Okay, so here we are inside the project, and as I said, I not will use that one, I will create the new one. I will use that one, and as you can see, the blank, so here is nothing. Don't forget where you wanna save your project, and I will say this is stream project, right? Stream. So let's leave it like that, and under okay, I will leave it there, and create the project. Done. Hello, Sultan. Oh, really nice name. Oh, Sultan, sorry. It's your surname, but okay, you can say like someone calling you like you're Sultan. It's loading. It's not taking to done. As you can see, we are here. yes, I will touch to some materials. I not will create it from the zero, no worries about that. I no wanna spend for this time, and of course you are an architect and you also no wanna spend time to create some materials, but I will show you how you can get it fast. And if you want go deep into the materials in Unreal, I think you should watch someone who really like professional on that, because I'm not professional in that, and I don't wanna lie to my audience because you are my friends. I'm not professional in material. I just showing you how you can manipulate with Revit and Unreal. And I'll show you some basic things in Unreal. If you wanna go deeper in Unreal, maybe later on I will become professional in that program and I'll show you something. But now, sorry, not. Okay, here is my project. I will copy just my where is the project locating, and here is datasmith. Okay, let's open up. So we have here like a lot of different ways how we can load. So what I just click on that, and the folder where is my datasmith file, I'll just clicking on that and I'll say okay. So now the Unreal asking me where I wanna save that. I'll say like I wanna save it here, and I'll call it like RAC, so we will know this is our building. Double click on that and okay. And now we should wait. Sorry, the question, is there someone you can send it? Yes, I will leave later on when we will finish today the stream. I will leave under this video some comments who I recommend you guys. So this is not like advertising, this just like my opinion. Maybe it will help to you. As you can see, here is nice way. You can export your camera from the Revit, or you can export even the light and materials. This is really cool feature, and if you want you can unswitch off and you can create your own one, but I will unswitch off only cameras and animation, light, material and geometry I will leave. And I'll say import. So done. Now we just should wait, because now Unreal like separating our model, each geometry will be like separate part. Yeah, this is really terrible. Anyway, this can solve with like 3ds Max, you can solve this problem, but we don't wanna use any third software. Okay, and as you can see, here is our model, so it's not spending like a lot of the time, right? So here we are, here is our model, and we can manipulate with that. So I'll change the speed camera because it's really slowly. Oh, now it's fast. Anyway, as you can see, here is my model. It's pretty cool, right? Yes, of course I understand. It's not like, for example, third-party program like Twinmotion, like Lumen, because it's coming without any grass. You should work a lot of now, but we will work, and I'll show you how we can get result. For example, the big problem with the AutoCAD and Revit, because we have like few materials in one geometry in AutoCAD and Revit, right? Especially in some, for example, slabs, walls, and as you can see now, Unreal Engine not understand what's going on. Because we have like two materials in one geometry. So what we can do? Pretty easy. We just should use the location here, and I'll say -1. Done. So you can say even -0.0001, and it also will be works without any shaking. So because I don't know, like maybe I will become L after that. So I will change to the -1 and go on, and here I will say like -1 by 1. Done. So as you can see, not any problem. The nice thing, because we have now inside our project the light, as you can see it's working, but I need rebuild my light. I will rebuild later on because it's taking the time. Actually the rebuild light, it means you should render your scene. So I will do it later on because it takes time. Now we talking only about the camera, and I will place some models as I said. I mean the trees, bushes, grass. Okay, so let's talk about the camera. So what we do the first before we will start to work. First, I will change my location of the folders to the content, and here I will create the new folder, and I'll say like environment, just NNV. Okay, so here will be my content. And let's check it out what's going on under the label. This is our project browser, like in Revit. It's really terrible. As you can see, this is each piece of the model here. It's really huge list, so I should scroll up a long time, but we will make it more clear right now. As you can see, I just will close the RAC. Done. We are cool. But anyway, I will create the new folder and I'll say this is geometry. So, and all geometry will be going inside to the geometry, because I want making organize my work. So my geometry is here. After that, I wanna say environment, and NV again. Environment, this is atmospheric fog, light, sky sphere, light again, and sphere reflection. Okay. Sphere reflection going to this here. Oh my god, sorry. I put here a lot of different things. Anyway, where's my light? My light here, my this one to this one here, and I will put it outside. So we should organize, because it's really hard to work. I know I really work. I trying to work with Unreal really long time, and if you not organize anything, it's like you killing yourself. Really, I'm not kidding. Okay, done. Now we can work, because here it's clear, here it's clear. Done. Let's work. Let's put the camera. How we can get the camera? You just going to the models, after that going to the face, and you here define the cinematic. Here the cinematic, and we not will take away the straight away, I mean the camera. We will take first camera rig rail. This most important for us. So actually I will change my perspective view to the top, so we can work like that in CAD, you know. Okay, so we now in the top view. This is pretty awesome. And let's drag and drop my camera ring rail. I just drag and drop here. What is it? Camera ring rail. As you rig rail. As you understand, this is like a rail for our camera. How our camera will be going inside our scene. So it's working like this. Okay, so you can see here this my rail. This is starting my rail. I will rotate it. Let's rotate it. Where is my rotate? Rotate it's E on your keyboard, but I think you will find some shortcuts. It's not so hard for you. And I will rotate it on 90 degree. This is my start point. This is my end point. But if you will select your rail and you will select this button, just hold Alt for a second. I should change my type of to that one, to the move, and now select this button and select the shift, and you can extend it. And let's extend it. I wanna extend it here. After that I wanna extend it here. I know the plan of this building, so if you not understand what's going on, I will show you later on, no worries guys. After that, hold Alt again and extend, so maybe extend here, here, and here, so it's working like this. Some comments. Please make a video on interior design. Maybe I will do, guys. You know, you're asking me always a lot of the times. I'm sorry, I'm just wanna be honest with all of you. You're asking me a lot of the things, but I don't have even the hundreds or 200s views on my videos, you know. It's so terrible. Okay, see, here is my line, as you can see. It's actually so far from my room, and let's put it inside to the room. Yeah, I'm doing it just one by one. Yes, I can use my location, so let's use the location even. But no, I don't think so. I not will use the location. I'm lazy. and I'm not rushing because this is like our stream. I'm not doing streams so often. Okay, and just one by one, going to down, and it will be pretty awesome. Anyway, after that I will go to the interior and I will do that things again, because it's not perfect for now. You know, Unreal, it's not about the fast. Unreal, it's about the patience. Okay, so let's go here and let's make it more interesting. Okay, this is starting from the outside and this going like maybe on this side, that going on that side. Let's make it more interesting. Okay, this one much interesting. Okay, here it should be a bit going the up because it's, and here I will do the same thing. Okay, and just one by one. After that we will apply the camera on this rail and we will make our first I not will say the video, after our first sequences of the videos. Okay, so this is pretty cool, but I want to extend it, so let's use it, the our extension mode. So let's use the Alt key and let's put it somewhere here like this. Okay, I don't like this shaking here too. I will say this is 1. Done. Not any shaking. Shaking of the texture. By the way, as I said, we can import the texture from the Revit. You wanna see how the nice texture coming to the inside to the Unreal from the Revit? Let's close up. See? It's not bad. It's I'm not kidding. It's really not bad because we even didn't rebuild our light. So without any light system, our floor looking not so bad. As you can see, we can export from the Revit and you will get not so bad result. So let's go back to the start point and let's apply our camera, and it will be really interesting. Okay, here is our starting point. Where is my camera? I will use the sine camera actor. I don't know how to write pronounce, so if I'm not right pronounce some words, you can tell me. I know my accent so bad, but anyway, I'm trying to share knowledge. Okay, so I'll rotate the camera like 90 degree, and I'll apply the camera on this side like that. So it's pretty awesome. And as I said, if you will organize everything right, you will get the situation like that. So now I should connect my I should make the parents my camera to my rig rail. So done. Now it's like working like a one. After that, if I will select my rig rail, I'll say only rail, okay guys? If you will select on your rail, you have the option current position, changing the current position, and as you can see, it's changing the position and camera also changing the position. Pretty cool. So, and after that we should of course rotate our camera. Okay, so this working. Some comments from you. I'm sure you will get views in the internet design videos. I will do it. I'm really not care about the views. I just saying like you're asking me, I'm doing, and no one watching. So anyway, I will do it. It's not so big problem for me because I think someone, maybe in one day, someone will watch me and say like, oh man, it's really amazing. Thank you for helping. Blah blah blah. Okay, this is after saving. Let's wait. This really cool thing in Unreal Engine, because after saving working like every like 5 minutes, and it's really pretty cool. For example, it can be crashed, you just worrying like, oh my god, I just lost all my work, and after that you're opening again your Unreal Engine and you can see like, oh, I not lost anything. Oh, really cool. Maybe in one day in Revit will be like this, or maybe in some other programs. Okay, done. It's already after saving works. Let's create our first short video. It's, you can say this is your real first video. What you're gonna do? We should create sequences. Let's go to the Cine Matrix, open up, and add level sequence. Now I wanna say Revit. Now Unreal asking where we wanna save our sequence. I wanna save inside my current, the content, and I will call it interior. Okay, interior, and you can see opening the internal movie editor. Let's say it's movie editor, right? So what we're gonna do here? We have the camera, we have the rail, and that's it. We don't need anything. So I will show you how it works. We need now track. So our camera going on the track, right? So we need to use the track first. Just click on the track, find under the actor to sequences the camera rig rail. Okay, done. As you can see, now it's working. After that, we don't have any parameters, but we need make the keys, how we can change the position, right? So we need use again the track under the rail, and here you should find current position on the rail. Let's add it. As you can see here, the 0. Okay, let's make the 0 on this K. As you can see, here is the K point, and on this point it will be 1. It means the final stage. And now let's see on the right screen here. When I'm changing the sequences, my camera position changing, as you can see. So we can render the first movie. I will do it. Everything here bad, but I will show you it's working already. Just click on the render. Here there's some pretty simple settings, like which type of video you wanna, like maybe you want making like JPEG files, maybe just doesn't matter about that. Where's my folder? My folder is here. I'll put here inside the folder and capture the video. Yes, I wanna save everything. Always save everything, because maybe it will crash. Anyway, you have after save, but anyway, believe only on yourself, right? Okay, we will wait till it's saving. Don't forget, guys, I'm not rendering now, because as you can see here, maybe you can see here it's writing the preview, because I didn't rebuild my my light view, and I didn't rebuild the materials. It's not a problem. Okay, so now asking like how I can save my materials. I say it interior. Yeah, done. I hope you are recording this video here, because yes, I'm recording and I will post it later on. No worries, guys, no worries. So the render video is capturing, so I think it's finished. Let's check it out. And I did some mistakes, as always, because I'm Nico. I'm doing always the mistakes. Okay. Okay, here's my interior. Let's check it out. Interior. From the 0 to the 1. Yes, it's working. Let's capturing. Oh, okay, always I forgot. It's capturing, so let's wait. Yeah, I will post, of course, this video. You will see it maybe when Google, when I forgot already name. When YouTube will update the stream, you will see this video. No worries about that. Okay, I'll change the to the 100 FPS. Okay, so let's check it out. What's going on right now on our screen? I'll check this camera. I wanna lock this camera. Where is the lock? Lock, it's here. Pin, I mean. And let's check it out. Is it working? Yeah, it's working, but it's really too fast. Let's change the sequences. I want to change number of the sequences, maybe 1000, and I'm changing the position of my key point. Let's check it out one more time. Yeah, now it's pretty cool. It's going the slowly, as you can see right on the screen, and it's going slowly. But my camera, it's not following my rail, so we will do it maybe later on. But I don't think so in this stream. Anyway, now you understand how to create camera. Now you understand how it's making under the track, and now you can render it. So this is pretty simple, as you can see. We can add like other things here. For example, we can track even our camera here. Just add your camera. As you can see here, is under sequences now our camera, and I'll render it one more time. I don't think so it will take a lot of the time, and as you can see here, it's already rendering our video. But guys, please check it out. It's not final render. You know, the Unreal Engine is really blowing up with the realistic. This only preview. I didn't render even the lights, materials. This is just raw thing from the Revit. Anyway, so as you can see, it's really pretty easy. You just adding your sequences. You're adding some rails, camera, and it's working. Now I will show you how we can place other things. Here is dance. Can I? Inlet class, sorry. Here's my you can just come back like in 3 hours, and you will check this video already on my channel. So no worries about that, Frank. So no worries. Okay, guys, as you can see, it's really easy. Let's make an action. Now we know how to render, now we know how to create the camera, now we know how to use the rail, but let's make the realistic. We wanna apply here some traces. Did you remember before I said you can use some library from Unreal? Guys, I wanna honest with you. I'm not care about my how many people watching me. Sometimes I a bit nervous when I'm doing some interesting thing, and after that I can see it in other channels, in other people. I'm really become so not so nervous. I'm become so rage, like how come it's my video? Why are you doing the same thing? It's really sorry, this is just my emotion. Okay, let's go back to the library, and now you will see the magic. For example, I wanna bring some environment, right? So how we can bring some environment inside to the project? Go to the library, and here you will find the magic tool, add to the project. Click on that, and now Unreal asking us which project we wanna in which project we wanna add our new assets. I say the stream and add the project. Just wait. Of course, it's taking the time. Here the 3000 megabytes, but anyway, if you have like a really fast internet, it's not taking the time for you. I think we should wait like 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. So I will like hide that for now, and we will make here some folders now, like trees and bushes and grass. I just wanna separate it because I know I don't like when it's everything in one folder. Okay, before it's loading, I will show you how we can manipulate with light. Sorry, it's shaking the camera because now I'm streaming, now I'm using the Unreal Engine, and as you know, I don't have so powerful PC. Okay, so let's say you wanna change your sun direction. How you can do that? Of course, in Lumion and Twinmotion you can do it like just one click. Here you should use the sun source. Just click on the sun source. Where is my sun source? I will put it here. And use the rotation. Where is my rotation? And use the rotation. And as you can see, the sun is working. Really cool, right? So if sun is going like flat, your light it's not so huge. I mean, it's like evening. If sun going from the straight direction, it's looking like you have like after I wanna say after midnight, not midnight. You have like noon. Sometimes you may not get the value you deserve. Forgot about it. Thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. I'm trying my best. Maybe I should not make a lot of the videos each weeks, but it's like maybe I should thinking about the quality. I don't know. We will see. So here it's already half, as you can see. My internet not so fast, as you can see. Anyway, if you have like the same internet, it's not also taking a lot of the time. Okay, so till it's loading, let's load inside to my project the flooring. I wanna show you the flooring, how it's working. Let's loading the flooring. I think the flooring it's not will long time load. Faster. Okay, this is like we should first load this one, and after that will be load the flooring. Okay, we will wait. 2 minutes. I think it's not so dramatically for you guys, right? I'll take some couple photo. When you're talking so much, you cannot speak normally. Sorry. Guys, some questions, because now we should wait until the environment loading, and after that I will work and I will speak a lot of about that. So maybe you have some questions. Oh, you have some questions. This is pretty cool. Just hold on. Okay, with this program only you can do videos, or oh man, I can tell you one more thing. You can do videos, you can do some static renders, you can create the games for your Android, iPhone, you can make the games for HTML. I mean, you can make the online games, you can make, for example, some preview video or some preview demo scene, you know, when you can run away somewhere. You can do whatever you want here. And the nice thing, you can make animation of the object. As you know, in Twinmotion you cannot load inside Twinmotion animation. In Lumen you can load inside Lumen, you can only simple animation without the vertex animation. In Unreal you can load inside Unreal any animation what you want. You can make the rigging, you can okay, Unreal, this is like a basic, you know. You can do everything, but you should have like a lot of the knowledge of the Unreal. So it's not about the fast, it's about the quality and knowledge, of course. I know, like maybe later on I'll show you how you can export your model from Unreal, your Unreal Studio, from Unreal Studio to the Android. For example, you want to show to your teacher like a game, you can do that. I will show you. Maybe later on, not now, because it's taking the time. Okay, now it's adding to the project. This is pretty cool. As I said, it's not a long time. Maybe like we're waiting like 5 minutes. Let's wait till it's finished to the adding inside to our project. But anyway, it's already the folder here. You can see environment set. Pretty cool, right? Let's check it out. Where's my I will wait till it's finished, because there are really a lot of the assets, so I don't wanna rush with that, because maybe I will make some mistakes on errors. Just few seconds. As I said, if you have Unreal, I mean the Epic Games launcher, just open up and add some free assets, because it's now for free, and each month you will get new assets, and maybe in one day you can create your game. Maybe you will create your new PUBG. Okay, so it's here. Now we're going back to the Unreal, and let's put some trees. Oh, I like it. So you're going to an environment. Here you will find like foliage. I will go models, and here a lot of the different models. Okay, as you can see, this is our trees. Cool, right? Here's materials, here textures. We interesting only in models. I will go here, and I wanna use the floor, add the models, and let's drop here some trees, for example. No, I will do it manually. Yeah, just let's, because it's rendering. It's not like, as I said, it's not like in Lumen Twin Motion, you just drag and drop really fast. No, here you should wait. But result, it's epic. Oh yeah, sorry, again my neck is pain. So tell me true, do you like this stream, do you like this topic? Because oh yeah, as you can see, when the Unreal saying compiling the shaders, it means Unreal starting to render it. So, and as you can see, yes, Unreal starting rendering of these trees. As you can see, this is now just a mesh. We should wait till Unreal will finish render it. So I'll show you. You can see already it's like piece by piece rendering. So let's wait, because it's now looks like not a tree. It looks like something like a tree. I will wait. 29, 10, done. And as you can see, it's already animating, and it's really cool. And you can place it whenever you want. Why I did the my folder environment? Because when you will add it, you can put your environment here inside this folder. Okay, now this our first tree. It's really cool. I like it. And here you have like free one. You have a lot of different tree, as you can see here. But what if you don't want to put it one by one like I did it right now? You can use the foliage. Foliage, it's like a painter. So let's adding the foliage to type here. As you can see here, the 0. I'm sorry guys, I don't have like a 4K monitor. I cannot making it bigger. But I hope you can see here is 0. So what you gonna do? Here we have like brush size. Brush size is our brush size. I think you understand. And paint density. It's how many you will place the trees inside your brush size. Okay, I will show you. Da 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 da. Really cool, right? And you can use the Ctrl Z. Let's make not so much. Let's make this 0.1 and let's place it. So here is our trees. Cool. And let's put in one more trees. Here is our more trees. And you can see here is 53 trees. Yes, absolutely. I think you must continue. I will continue because I really like it. You know, it's like you playing in a game. I'm really gamer. I like the games, and I'm also architecture, and I'm also BIM manager. So, and Unreal, it's like one thing. It's like union all of these things. You know. Okay, so you can using the brush to put your trees. This really cool, right? And I wanna place like this some landscape. I mean some. Where's my environment, foliage, models, and let's find some grass. Where's my grass? Ground foliage, flower, simple flower. I wanna use the grass. I have the grass here. I will unswitch off this one, and I will put one grass to this one. Hello, my dear class. Did you finish your assignments? Please submit today. If you my class, I will do like this. And let's put our grasses inside the foliage. As you can see, now I'm not just placing only one trees. Now I can place 3 types of the grass. Let's wait till it's finish the shaders, and I will show you how it will be work. Just let's wait. It's not will take so long time. Dear class, I have one idea. Really, guys, what do you think? I'll make competition. Because most of you you are also the professionals. For example, really a lot of the people who watching me, they are really nice some in engineer part, maybe in some architecture part. Do you want make some tutorials? Because if you can make a really nice tutorial, I can post inside my channel. So I understand when you don't have the channel, when no one watching you, it's not interesting to create your own video. But you can create your own video, you can send me, I will check it in, and if everything alright, and I will post it inside my channel, and I will write there your name. So do you want to me do I will do these things? Okay, now you answer please inside under the comments, and now I will show you how working the brush. Dun 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 dun. And as you can see, three different grass already on the ground. Let's change the density to the one, and you can see now it's more and more. We can change not only density, we can change only also the size of that. We can change all of the things. Just click on that, and now you can see here scale, minimum, maximum. We can say 0.1 and 0.1 and 1 here. Let's check it out. I will make here the 0.1, and here I will do also 0.1. So now when we will place our grass, it will be different size. So I will put the grass. As you can see, it's now different size. Here the small, here small, biggest one, small, biggest one. So you can manipulate much better here than you can manipulate in Lumen and Twinmotion, because Lumen and Twinmotion it's already a high-end software, so it means you cannot change there. If not, will change developer. Here you are developer, you are making the rules how it will be work. Okay, so if you find this topic interesting, I will continue tutorials about the Unreal. Please don't forget about likes and comments, because now I think I already will finish like in 10 minutes or maybe in 20 minutes, because now I want to show materials and lights, because it's also the huge topic. This tutorial today, it's like mostly like overview, you know. Let's go to the insights to our model, and let's talk about now material. Let's see on the ground. On the ground we have some shit. Yeah, it's not even the material. Let's go to the content, and we will find here already, because I finished to download it, 4K material wood flooring. As you can see, it's already inside the project. And here I have the folder 4K flooring. Let's open up, and here we will find the materials. We're not interested in maps, we're not interested in mesh and texture, we're interested only materials. Let's open up materials, and here you will find a lot of the different materials, even the glass. Just hold on, I will answer on the one message. Okay, done. So what you can do? You can just drag and drop it. Drag and drop it and wait. And after that you will get your materials on the floor. That's it. It's pretty easy. So we should again wait till it will render. Done. And as you can see, here is our floor. For example, I don't like this one. We can also change this material like this. Just drag and drop, wait, and it will change. Oh yeah, I didn't say about the animation, because I want to show you animation too. Okay, and as you can see, here is our floor. Of course, it's not rendered. We should render, guys. If you are thinking like, oh, why it looks like slow blur, blah blah blah, I didn't render. You can check it here. Light needs to rebuild, but it will take a really long time. Okay, so let's talk about a bit animation, and I will finish today. Let's say, did you remember my video from Instagram, from the Google community? Did you check my previous video? I hope you saw. I will go to the cinematic, I will go to my interior video, and here you can see my camera. So my camera when moving, everything is static. I don't like it. Really, I don't like it. So how I can change this thing? So I'll change this to the camera, because I wanna show you what's going on. Now I don't need this content browser. I'll leave it here, and I will make it bigger screen. Now you can see. So let's say when moving my camera, I wanna changing this sofa, for example, right? For example, it's creating or dropping. We will create it. How we can do that? We need add our sofa here. How we can do that? Just select your sofa. It's automatically will select it inside our project browser, and just drag and drop it here. Done. And as you can see, furniture, sofa, ottoman, blah blah blah. So what we're gonna do? I will open the transform, and I will find here the scale. Inside, here I said the scale will be 0, 0, 0, 0. Done. And here I will say it will be 1. I'll put the keys 1, 1, 1. And as you can see, now we get animation. Really cool, right? You can manipulate with that, not only with the animate only scale. You can animate even rotation, location, material, whatever you want. You can animate everything here. You can animate light here. You can animate, I don't know, like everything. I'm not kidding, really everything. For example, I wanna rotate it. Let's say here it will be like, let's say I'll start from the end. Here it will be 0, and here it's I will change the path. Where is my pitch? I think pitch. I'll check it. And as you can see, you cannot see anything because pitch it's not so big. I'll change the pitch like -90. Let's check it out. Now you can see, like, cool, right? Like it's going from the ground, like really cool. And you can just copy all of that, just Ctrl+C, and you can make it for this sofa too. Let's drag and drop this sofa here. Is it that sofa? No, it's not that sofa. That sofa. And we can apply to this sofa our keys. And just let's paste our transform. I will select all the keys and I will put it here. Okay, let's check it out. Dun, 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 dun. And as you can see, hop, and our sofa also coming here. So I think you now really exciting about the Unreal. If like this, don't forget likes. And yes, guys, please think about the videos, because maybe you can post your videos inside my channel. Maybe you will create some interesting video about MEP, because I don't know, I'm not the engineer, and I don't know like engineer stuff. Maybe you know engineer stuff and you can make tutorials in Revit about the engineer. So I will be really glad if you will do that, because it also helping to my channel, and it helping to you, because maybe in one day someone will come to you and will ask to help you, to help to him, for example, in some MEP stuff. Okay. Okay, guys, no worries. I will continue these tutorials as often as I can. For today, it's finished. So if you have some question, don't forget, you can I will give you like 5 minutes. If you have questions, please leave it below this chat. I will read it right now, and we will finish my stream. So this topic you really like. As I understand, this topic, this what you want, right? Because rendering, it's too easy, right? Animation in Lumen and Twinmotion, it's also so easy. Revit, it's already not so interesting, and now you are looking to do something new. Am I right? Okay. It's finished, guys. I will later on. You can check this video again. I will leave below this video comment with all the links where you can download Datasmith, where you can download the Epic Games Launcher, where you can download the library. I will leave all the links below the video when it will. Yes, I said about that. I will leave, as I said, later on. Just come back to this video. You will find all the links below this video. Okay, because now I don't wanna use the YouTube, spending your time. Just come back like in 3 hours, and you will find everything what I said. So it's like this will be better. Okay, guys, for today it's finished. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for coming to this tutorial and stream. I think we will see each other in the same time next week. So thank you, guys, and take care.